Alright, welcome back everyone to Casey's Crazy Ideas. I know I've been posting a bunch of videos of stump removal and pulling a boat out and random things, but today we're going to fix a cable puller, as some know it as. We call them come-alongs, but basically broke the cable off. And what I'm going to do is take this kit here and put it back together. So I'm going to bring you guys along and show you guys how I go about it, if you guys can still see everything I'm doing. You don't have to use this horseshoe thing, but I like to use it. And I don't think the cable so much broke. It's more or less the those things that they put on from the factory at the end of the cable. They pretty much just pulled out of it. So I was thought about just trying to tack weld something back on, but I'm afraid that the tack weld's not going to do its job. And I really don't want to find out. I think I'm sticking this thing in the vise here. I think I might just do that. Hang on, guys. Ow. Bring you guys over here. I'm hoping this is crimping it down enough. I was debating on 1/4 inch or 5/16. This come-along's rated for 8,000 pounds. They do make other attachments nowadays for this stuff. I seen somebody use it on a YouTube channel. I believe it was BSF Recovery Team. They had used another crimping version or some sort of like shark bite or something. It seems to work. I haven't tried it, but this was like $4 or $5, and quite frankly, we don't use this that much. You can make these kind of prettier, but I'm probably gonna, prettier as in you could try and perfectly line them up, or in this case I'm gonna take the angle grinder, I'm gonna cut these off. That way there it's not as sticking so far out. And they just kind of smash in there like so. What I'm going to do is stick these in the vise. And we get the angle grinder. Don't ask me where my safety glasses are. I do know where they are. I'm just too lazy to go get them. That's what it looks like once you cut that off. And then what I'm going to do, just because I don't want to be playing with the pokey bear, I'm going to try and cut the rest of this off without cutting my other half. Yeah, I nicked a strand or two in there. That'll be alright. Better than what it was. So that's about it. And then normally, this is 8,000. You run this, comes out, comes back. You rehook this back to this, and then this snatch block hooks to what you're pulling. Or you can do a single line, and you only get 4,000 pounds of pull. Or you use the snatch block, you get 8,000. But pretty much it. This one can go back in service. The other one was totaled. This one is on the verge of being not usable, but it still has life left in it. So that's that. We're out here. I don't know what else I have for upcoming projects. Not sure at the moment. I'm just kind of winging stuff at the moment here. So I mean, if you guys see some stuff I'm doing, want something more, let me know. I gotta do a chain repair because that chain. Here, I'll show you. When you pull on a chain too hard on the side, you tend to take the hook and you have to completely deform it. So I gotta go buy new hooks. They're not much. You just pull this cotter pin, pull the pin, and slap the new hook in. The chain itself is fine. This is a 3/8 chain. It's supposed to be rated for 5,400 pounds. So hopefully maybe by the weekend I'll go get something like that to replace those and put that back in service. Like I said, the other come along is broke. I'll have to go get another one. They're like $40 or $50. We just buy the Harbor Freight brand. They work pretty well, assuming that they get used and abused. So it happens. So I guess I'm gonna cut it off here. I want to do a quick video showing how I do a repair of a table on a winch or some version like that. I will look into the additional ways of doing it with those other pieces. Something that's a little cleaner, less abrasive to the person. So I'm going to check into those. But that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.